Hi, my name is Jared Bell. I'm a patient of Dr. Motwani's. I found the Institute by looking online and looking for someone that is well versed in specifically revision LASIK surgery. I'd had LASIK surgery previously and I had significant halos and really bad night vision. So I spoke with Dr. Motwani. He's great, very personal, and really felt good about it, and so came out to go ahead and have the revision surgery. It was very quick, it was very easy, it was not painful at all, and I am currently on the third post-op day and my eyes feel great. My halos are completely gone. Just like that, it was immediate. So very pleased, and I highly recommend Dr. Motwani for any LASIK needs. He's very knowledgeable and a great surgeon.